Hey everyone, welcome to the SimilarWeb training webinar. My name is Tanya and I work on SimilarWeb's market intelligence team. Today we're going to have a session where we will be going over the SimilarWeb Pro solution and the amazing things you can do with it. If you have not yet registered for our free demo, you can do so by going to similarweb.com and clicking free sign up and then try SimilarWeb. This will provide you with full access to the SimilarWeb Pro platform limited to 5 results per metric. As you can see, we can deep dive in research, monitor changes in track, and gain actionable insights and grow. Today, we'll be going into the track section. Here you are able to access your custom dashboards and personalized news feed directly from your track homepage. Let's first take a look at the custom dashboards. You can get there by the sidebar or you can click here. Custom dashboards offers great flexibility when conducting research and competitive analysis. You can create a separate dashboard with unique metrics for each of your business needs and easily reach the pro tables from your dashboard to further investigate the data. To start, you simply add a new dashboard and choose the metrics that are most relevant for you. Let's choose age distribution. Here you can add up to 5 sites to monitor. It's also important to note that some metrics won't allow you to compare sites. You can easily change the metric and update the time frame. When you have put in the information you are looking for, go ahead and press save. You can repeat the process by adding new metrics on a dashboard so that you can easily monitor sites. Let's move on to the newsfeed. This section will help you stay up to date with key events and market changes on sites that you are monitoring. The newsfeed will help you follow websites to monitor risks and opportunities affecting your business. You can put in sites and track them. The newsfeed will show any changes in keywords, referrals, or change in traffic. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Make sure to check out our other Pro webinars on website analysis and category analysis. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your market intelligence rep through chat, or you can email us at similarwebteam@similarweb.com.